Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to advertise your business on WhatsApp status. Alright, as you can see here, I have my WhatsApp app opened. So what we're going to do here is basically go to updates right here in these tabs at the bottom left, tap on it. Alright, then just go ahead over to my status. So what we're going to do here is basically find a media or a photo of your business, or it could be an item that you sell. All right, for example, here, this one, this is just a stock photo. What we're going to do here basically is just add a caption. For example, message me on, of course, your WhatsApp business name, for example. Then that's your caption, right? If you want to mention people, just go ahead and tap on this at icon right here. And then simply tap on the people that you wanted to mention. All right, hit the check mark. Now, if you want to add some more art, just go ahead and use this sticker sign right here. As you can see, like for example, if you sell coffee, just go ahead and use this coffee emojis right here. All right, and when you're using your mobile device, you can pinch this one to make it smaller or larger. All right, then you can put some text right here. Buy my coffee. Let's say, for example, that. Open stickers, time, or location. Then you're gonna want to look for your location right here. You can use the search icon, of course, or the search function. Let's say, for example, this one maybe. All right. So when people click or tap on it, it will show them exactly the location. All right, another example, here's the time. You're open at a specific time. For example, 9 to 5. All right, that's basically how you do it. And once done, you can just share this as your WhatsApp status, and every people in your contacts will see this. Now, another option here is by using the WhatsApp business app. All right. So what's in here is that they have this feature called ads, just like on Facebook and Instagram and so on and so forth. All right. Just go ahead and go to tools right here. And as you can see in the grow your business section, there's an option called advertise. You can go ahead and tap on this one. All right. For example, here, this one, your photo, or you can choose other media. Go ahead and upload photos or videos, take a new photo, or you can select one from your catalog. All right. Now let's say, for example, this one, my default photo. I'm just going to go ahead and get started. All right. You can go ahead and add a description right here. Selling my bike, for example. Location, something else. Any details that you want to put in your description. Hit on save. Once done, tap next. If you want to change the location, you can go ahead and select local or regional. If you want to change this, just go ahead and use the search function right here and look for your place. And for the age, you can go ahead and use these two sliders right here. If you want to attract people from 18, for example, right here, 18 to 30 years old. Could be male or female or both. All right. Special requirements here is your ad about financial products and services, employment, housing, social issues, elections, or politics. If so, you can go ahead and tick on this tick box right here and hit on next. All right. And the estimated daily reach would be 17.7K to 51.3K accounts. Let's go ahead and tap on next. And here's the budget. You can go ahead and use the slider right here to turn this to $1 per day. The duration would be 10 days. So $1 per day for 10 days would be $10. So that's your budget for 10 days. The downside here is that if you use $1 per day, you could only reach 1.6K to 4.8K accounts. If you want to use more money for your ad, for example, here, as you can see, 1 million to 3.1 million accounts. If you want to change the duration to like 2 months, this is your budget and the estimated daily reach. So just for this example, I'm just going to use the $1 or 10 days. Next. And it says here, your ad is ready to go. Now from here, just go ahead and add a payment method. You can go ahead and continue with your Google and use your card, credit card, debit card, your PayPal, and etc. All right. And once done, just go ahead and tap on next, and there will be a pop-up. Just accept this one and your ad will be up. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.